Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add an admin on Facebook page, like how you can add another admin into your Facebook page. So first of all, make sure that you are into your Facebook page profile. If you don't know how to do this, you will just click on this profile image over here, and then you can actually switch between your Facebook profile and Facebook page. So once you are in your Facebook page, you will click on the professional dashboard here, and then you have to click on this page access here, and it will show you the admins of your page. And if you want to actually like add a new admin to your page, you will click on this add new one and then click on next, and you have to search them by their name or email. So I will just search them by their name. So let's suppose I add this one. So let's suppose that I want to make this person the admin of my page. So I will click on this one, and with Facebook access, a customer can manage the content, messages, community activity, ads and insights. But there is an option here: allow this person to have full control. Anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page including you, or delete the page. So if you click on this one, you can actually giving the full access of your page to this person, like you are making this person an admin, and then you just have to click on give access, and this person will get the invitation to become the admin of this page. And if he accepts, then he will be the new admin of this page. And also, if you want, you can assign people with different tasks. Okay, so let's suppose that I want to add a person with a specific task, then I will click on next one. We'll type here AWS again. Now these are the tasks basically that I can choose. So let's suppose that I want this person to just create, manage or delete posts, stories and more as the page. So I will just turn on this one, and then I will click on like give access. Okay, so that's how you can add a person with a specific task. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.